Hi, I'm Liv. Today I'm going to be taking you to my reading corner. I am Ned. I am Pam. I am Mom. I am Dad. Here is my dog Ruff. Here is my cat Tig. My dog is wet. Wet, wet. What a mess. Tig sees a rat. The rat is in a hat. Go, Tig, go. Get that rat. Roof, roof. Here comes Ruff. Ruff sees Tig. Ruff sees a rat. Don't forget to like and subscribe.